There's the bell, and now it's time for Extreme Rules. Things are probably going to get ugly in a hurry now.
Yeah, the WWE Universe should brace itself. There's truly no telling the kind of violence we're about to be in for here.
Personally, I can't wait. Wrestling's supposed to be ugly.
The amount of force behind that is enough to knock a normal person out. He skirts around it. Good grief! That's a chop that'll wake you up. No. Oh, that buys some time.
He's absorbed some damage already.
I don't know what that was, but it looked like it hurt.
He was waiting for him to make his move.
Obviously, all the toys under the ring play a big role in Extreme Rules matches, but equally important is being able to withstand the onslaught of said toys. Resilience, endurance, you have to be ready to prove just how much you can take in a match like this.
Could get very dangerous out at ringside now.
Oh, what a leaping stomp.
Blasted by a forearm.
You can see as he rises how vulnerable of a position he's in. Dodged right on cue.
Back and forth, looking for the advantage here. Kick to the gut.
Oh, what a right!
Forms that upper area takes more damage.
His opponent is just overwhelming him here.
Yeah, this is not good. You don't say, Saxton.
Ooh, and a reversal.
Up and down, leg lariat. Sliding basement forearm. Oh, here it comes. Boom, bionic elbow. Are we about to see it?
Reversal. Can he take advantage?
Slam. That's gotta be it. 2.
We're well into the match, and he still seems so fresh. It's almost unbelievable. Steered clear of that.
Vicious knee to the face.
The end is in view.
Whoa, not quite yet.
Back into the ring. Able to evade.
You have to sense that fatigue is starting to become a factor at this point.
Make no illusions of it. This is coming down to a battle of attrition. These two trading counters, an absolute masterclass.
Dragon